どうもライトです。俺のチャンネルへようこそ。Hey, I'm Light, I live in Japan and welcome to my channel. It's like 6:30, 7ish in the morning now here in Japan, and I was thinking I wanted to make a video about my rings, all the meanings, and if I get enough likes or comments about that, I'll definitely do it. But I changed my mind this morning that I want to make this video. And most people get a sore throat or stomach ache when they go abroad to a new country. And when I came to Japan about 6 years ago, I got a sore throat. And it was like cured the next day because I just got medicine. But for me, I have asthma. Yep, asthma. I was born with it and I'm always prepared. I always carry a pump with me or this. And I was really fit when I came to Japan and I thought I'd be fine. I just needed like a pump or two. And then when the season started to change from winter to spring, I was like, wow, I actually have to use my pump every day. And that kind of motivated me to exercise and be more healthy. But it didn't work because I ended up in the hospital. I was in this Japanese hospital for about a week, and the first 2 days I didn't sleep. And because I got really dizzy because of the lack of oxygen, and only one person visited me, and that was my wife. And I had a few friends that I called friends back then, about 5 years ago, and not one of them came to me, not one of them. Today, I don't have them anymore. I have new friends. Well, new people I see. Still difficult to get friends in Japan because we all have different goals and we're mature. So I guess if you're coming to Japan, be prepared with at least like a letter if you're not fluent in Japanese to show the doctor, translate it, what's wrong with you, or if you have asthma. I wasn't prepared, and not many people show you what you should do when you come to Japan other than, oh, eat this, see this, do this. Your health is freaking number one. And number two is definitely your friends and family.
Let's go. Let's go. Ooh.